Welcome back! Today we're exploring powerful English words that start with the letter F, from fable to fame. Let's learn their meanings and see how they're used in real life. Fable, a short story that teaches a moral lesson, often with animals as characters. Moral fable, ancient fable. She read a famous fable about a tortoise and a hare. Many cultures have fables that teach moral lessons. Facilities, buildings or equipment provided for a purpose. Sports facilities, medical facilities. The hotel has excellent facilities, including a pool and gym. They provided temporary facilities for the outdoor event. Facsimile, an exact copy of a document or artwork. Facsimile edition, send by facsimile. She sent a facsimile of the document by fax. The museum displayed a facsimile of the original manuscript. Fact, something that is true or real. Scientific fact, fact sheet. It's a fact that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The novel is based on facts, not fiction. Factory, a building where goods are made. Car factory, textile factory. The factory produces hundreds of cars each day. He works at a chocolate factory downtown. Faculty, a department in a university or a natural ability. Law faculty, mental faculties. The university has an excellent faculty in the field of science. His faculty for remembering facts is impressive. Reading and puzzles help keep your mental faculties sharp as you age. Faint, not strong or to lose consciousness. Faint light, faint from heat. She felt faint from standing in the sun too long. Several people fainted from the heat during the parade. There was a faint smell of roses in the air. Faint light. A faint light shone through the window. Fairness, the quality of treating people equally. Sense of fairness, fairness in decision. The judge's fairness in the trial was praised. Fairness is important when dividing resources among people. Sense of fairness. Children have a strong sense of fairness from an early age. Fairness in decision. The judge was known for his fairness in decision. Fairy, imaginary small being with magical powers. Fairy tale, fairy godmother. The child believed there was a fairy in the garden. The story is filled with fairy tales and magic. Faith, strong belief or trust in something or someone. Have faith, keep the faith. She has faith in her friend's honesty. Their faith helped them through tough times. Faithful, loyal and true to someone or something. Faithful friend, faithful copy. The dog has been a faithful companion for years. They are faithful to their promises. Faithful copy. This painting is a faithful copy of the original. Fake, not real or genuine. Fake smile, fake ID. The painting was discovered to be a fake. Fake smile. She gave a fake smile to hide her disappointment. He wore a fake mustache as part of his costume. Tip. Costume is usually for entertainment or celebration, while disguise is used to conceal identity. Example. She wore a princess costume to the party. Costume. Clothes worn to represent a character or for a special occasion, often for fun or performance. Example. He wore a pirate costume to the party. Disguise. Something worn or done to hide your identity or to look like someone else, often for secrecy or trickery. Example. He disguised himself as a police officer to enter the building. Falcon. A bird of prey trained for hunting. Peregrine falcon, trained falcon. The falcon soared high above the mountains. A trained falcon was used in the hunting demonstration. Fallout. Bad results of an event or radioactive dust after an explosion. Political fallout, nuclear fallout. The company is still dealing with the fallout from the data breach. The fallout from the scandal affected everyone. There was fallout from the nuclear test. False, not true or real, false information, false hope. She made a false statement in court. He gave a false alarm to the fire department. The lawyer didn't want to give his client false hope about winning the case. False teeth. Artificial teeth used to replace real ones. Wear false teeth, set of false teeth. Her false teeth made her smile look natural. He bought new false teeth after losing his old ones. False teeth is the common everyday term, while dentures is the more formal or medical word used by dentists. Example, the dentist adjusted her new dentures. Fame, the state of being well known. Rise to fame, world fame. She achieved fame with her first novel. His fame spread across the country. Rise to fame. The singer's rise to fame was incredibly fast. World fame. The athlete achieved world fame after winning the gold medal. Great job! You've learned some fantastic F words today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for more English vocabulary fun from G and beyond.